So you want to learn how to descale your Breville Precision Brewer. This is the video for you. We'll go into how to do that right now. So what you want to do is pick up a descaling kit. You can get that on Amazon or at your local Walmart or wherever you get your groceries. I'll put a link in the description below for a few options. So what happens in any coffee maker is that over time, minerals build up inside of the internal components, and that impacts how good your coffee maker is going to be. So occasionally, you're gonna have to descale your machine. Same with this Breville Precision Brewer. And the nice thing about this is that every once in a while, after a certain amount of use, you do have Breville understanding the need for it, so it does tell you to descale it now and then. So right now you have the descaling on this Breville machine. So I'm gonna just do a quick descale and show you how to do that. So once I've got my descaler solution, I will put that into the Breville water basket. You just want to clean out your coffee maker, and it's just good because this is going to give you a lot longer use and life of your machine, so that regular maintenance is just very helpful. So once you put the solution in, make sure that your basket is in the machine as well as your carafe, because you don't want all this stuff to go anywhere. So you turn on your machine and you will hold this select button for 3 seconds. And you can see that this has gone on, and essentially that is what you do, and it is now descaling. So the descaling is now done. So what you want to do is rinse out the basket, as well as taking out the cone shape or the other basket that you have, as well as emptying out the carafe. So we'll go do that now. So emptying it, and then we'll just rinse it out. And now we will unscrew the top of the shower head here. So you want to take off the shower head ring as well as the shower head. Okay. So this just ensures that the descaling solution is just not in there, so you have a good cup of coffee. So you'll put this back, as well as screw back the shower ring. So that's great. Put back the basket as well as the carafe. And then we just have to refill this one more time before and we're done. So we'll go here, and I will go to the gold setting, and I will just run this normally. Once you brew on gold for one last time, your Breville Precision Maker is now completely cleaned up and you're good to make coffee for the next time. Hope this video helped you out descale your Breville Precision Brewer. I want to help you out just like I would my brother. See you in the next video.